Now let me introduce our 1200 relay protection tester. This instrument has flexible voltage and current. Combined output up to 6-phase voltage and 6-phase current. Any combination can be used to realize conventional 4-phase voltage and 3-phase current type, 6-phase voltage type, 6-phase current type and 12-phase output mode. Compatible with various traditional experimental methods. It is also convenient to conduct 3-phase transformer differential experiments. And commonly used quick cut and standby automatic test, etc. The AC output current of the instrument can reach 0 to 30 amperes, output accuracy 0.2 level. Voltage 0 to 120 volts. DC current 0 to 10 amperes. Voltage 0 to 160 volts. The AC current of this instrument is 0 to 30 amperes. Voltage is 0 to 120 volts. DC current is 0 plus or minus 10 amperes. Each phase voltage is 0 plus or minus 160 volts. Now we will do a demonstration test of differential protection test for you. The instrument panel shows here 6-phase voltage, 6-phase current, 8 opening quantities. For opening quantities. Now let's talk about differential test wiring. First, connect the high voltage side of the differential IA, IB, IC, and IN. Then connect the low voltage side of the protective device in the same way of IA, IB, IC, and IN. Now connect the tripping signal of the relay to the binary input signal terminal of the instrument. Connect to A terminal and common terminal COM respectively. This is the high voltage side current terminal of our relay protection device. Low voltage side current terminal. Trip signal terminal. After start the tester, we first enter the settings page of the differential protection device. Click Fixed Value. Display. And OK in sequence. Check the corresponding fixed value of the differential. High voltage side rated current 5 amperes. Low voltage side rated current 5 amperes. Quick break operating current 3.5 amperes. Differential starting current 1 ampere. Proportional automatic knee current 2 amperes. Proportional differential braking coefficient 0.5. We fill in the corresponding parameters into our tester. Now power on. There are 2 DC output terminals here. Can output 110 volts or 220 volts DC respectively. Can provide power to the relay device when there is no power at the test site. After booting up, you can see the general test bar. AC test, DC test, AC and DC test, harmonic test, state sequence 1, state sequence 2, conventional protection test column, characteristic test IT, frequency and high and low cycle tests, power direction impedance test, line protection column, whole group test 1. Whole group test 2, distance and zero sequence protection test, line protection test, impedance characteristic test, component protection column, differential protection, differential fixed value, differential relay, differential harmonic, automatic device column, prepare for self-commissioning test, quick switching test, simultaneous test, comprehensive function column. Comprehensive protection for 6 to 35 kV transmission lines. Power oscillation. Fault reproduction. Restore default settings. Now we enter the component protection section. Select differential protection. Then select the proportional braking boundary search here. Then, based on the fixed value displayed on the test equipment on the relay protection device earlier, fill in the corresponding parameters. Select threshold values of 3.5 amperes startup, 0.1 ampere, and 1 ampere here. This place is based on the formula we selected according to the instructions provided for the continuation of the test sample. This place is our proportional braking setting. We have set an initial value of 9 amperes with a step size of 1 and a current starting at 0.5 for this location. The inflection point setting value is 2, with a slope of 0.5. We can directly click to start the experiment here. The instrument will repeat scanning 3 times. Final result. Click Test Start. Confirm to start running. The instrument will automatically find some. The first point. The second point. The third point. The relative error set here for our current allowance is 5%. That means our graph directly provides a 5% dashed line. This is one of our displays showing differential current values. Okay, the first test has been completed. This is the second time testing has been conducted. Okay, the third test begins. Good test completed. We can save the report. You can name our report 123 here. Click Save. At this point, our entire differential experiment is considered complete. We can see our final result. You can see that the tested results are within our curve range. It should be noted that our current output line and voltage output line cannot be reversed or connected incorrectly.